today, what we do is a cookie, which is a chocolate brownie texture, but in a cookie just for a change. Right, so we will need 3 ounces of cocoa powder. Let's switch my scales on. As I said, with the cocoa powder, it will look so much more than what you think you've got there, because it is so light. So, 3 ounces of cocoa powder, in you go. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. And 5 ounces of plain flour. I did weigh it out earlier because I had a hole in my bag, so I'll put it in a pot. Three eggs. Again, break it into a jug or a bowl, and then you've got no harm of getting any shell in. Nothing worse than opening a cake or a biscuit and it's got a chunk of eggshell in it. 8 ounces of soft dark sugar, sorry. Even though it's soft, it does always congeal in the bag, so you just give it a shake off, squash it, and then it should come out. Then 11 ounces of caster sugar. So this cookie is going to be really sweet, so just be aware. And then 10 ounces of your baking margarine. Right, let's pop it in the mixer. So just start it off quite slowly, just to, it's not like a sponge where you have to mix the butter first, but again, if you are doing it by hand, it might be easier for you just to have a bit of whipping action on the marge, just to soften it up. I'm just going to stop that and scrape that butter off, because in the mixer it does tend to all build at the top. And then we give it a blast. Where it's sugary, it is going to be very bitty with this one. Again, we're just going to give it a scrape down, so just to make sure that it's getting everything in. sure that it's all off at the edges and then it's all mixed up. And it's in one big lump, as you can see, so it's a proper cookie mix there. As I said, as it's mixing around, it's very, very bitty. And there we go, and that's what the dough should look like, or the cookie mix. And just ball it off. You can either squash them down or just leave them. It's entirely up to you. So they'll be on your parchment paper on your tray, and then what we'll do is we'll pop them in the oven, and again we'll come back once they're done. We'll see you soon. Hi there, right, we're back again and the cookies have baked. They was in the oven for about 20 minutes. I had 2 trays, so then I just swapped one to top to bottom. As soon as they start to break on the top, you know they're already near enough done. And I'll show you what I mean. So there's your chocolate brownie cookies. As I said, as it starts to break on the top of the cookie, you know that it's nearly there and it'll be ready to go. Then as you leave them out to cool, they do firm up, so you'll get the firm bottom, but then as you break it, it's soft and gooey inside, similar to a chocolate brownie. So that's our chocolate cookies done for today. Hopefully you're all okay. Hope this is helping. A few easy recipes for you to take away the boredom of the children. And we'll see you soon. Keep baking.